Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in the given figure, PA is a tangent from an external point P to a circle with a center O. If angle BOP equals to 122 degree, find angle APO. As angle AOP and angle BOP are linear pair, so sum of these angles is 180 degree. We have given that angle BOP is 122 degree. So angle AOP will be 180 degree minus 122 degree, that is 58 degree. Also here, line draw through the center to the point of contact, that is this OA is perpendicular to PA. Therefore angle OAP is right angle triangle, that is 90 degree. Now in triangle APO, as sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, so sum of the angles, that is angle OAP plus AOP plus APO is 180 degree. Now substituting values here, we get AOP is 90 degree, then AOP is 90 degree, OAP we found it as 58 degree, plus angle APO equals to 180 degree. So angle APO is 180 degree minus 90 degree plus 58 degree. So it will give angle APO equals to 32 degree. So our correct option is option C.